Hey, salut et bienvenue sur French with Karine. Today we are going to discover how to construct basic sentences in French. Whether you are a beginner or need a review, this lesson will help you better understand French sentence structure. Stay until the end for an interactive quiz and tips for remembering what you've learned. Let's go! In French, the basic structure of sentence generally follows the order subject, verb, complement. Subject, the one who does the action. The verb, action or state. Complement, what completes the information given by the verb. Example, je, sujet, mange, verbe, une pomme, complément. Je mange une pomme. Je mange une pomme. Elle, sujet, parle, verbe, français, complément. Elle parle français. Elle parle français. The basic structure of the sentence can also have an adjective. This is the one who describes the complement. Example, je mange une petite pomme. Petite is the adjective in your sentence. Subject can be personal pronouns or also a proper nouns. The personal pronouns will be je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. Example, Marie, nom propre, lit, verbe, un livre, complément. Marie lit un livre. Marie lit un livre. Il, pronom personnel, joue, verbe, au football, complément. Il joue au football. Il joue au football. Verbs express action or state. They are conjugated according to subject and tense. Example with the verb parler. Present tense, je parle. Je parle. Past tense, passé composé, j'ai parlé. J'ai parlé. Future tense, in future simple, futur simple, je parlerai. Je parlerai. The complements provide additional information about the action. Example, elle mange une pomme. Elle mange quoi? Une pomme. Il parle à son ami. Il parle à son ami. Nous allons à Paris. Nous allons à Paris. Adjectives describe or qualify nouns. They agree in gender and number with the noun they describe. Example, un grand arbre. Un grand arbre. Grand stay for masculine and singular because un arbre is masculine and singular. Une grande maison. Une grande maison. Grande for feminine singular because une maison is feminine singular. Des grands arbres. Des grands arbres. Here we change and adapt for plural form. Des grandes maisons. Des grandes maisons. also for plural. So this both example, des grands arbres et des grandes maisons, have S at the end of each verb to mark the plural form. Exemple de phrase simple. Je suis content. Je suis content. Tu as un chien. Tu as un chien. Il fait beau aujourd'hui. Il fait beau aujourd'hui. Tips for better retention and understanding. 1. Identify the subject. Find the word that does the action in the sentence. Identify the verb. Find the action or state expressed in the sentence. 3. Add the complement. Provide additional information to complete the action. Then practice conjugation. Conjugate verbs according to subject and tense. And use flashcards. Write down examples of sentences and review them regularly. Also, practice out loud. Speaking out loud helps you memorize and improve your pronunciation. So, write your own sentences. Try to create your own sentences with the structures learned in this video. And listen and repeat as much as possible while watching videos, listening podcasts in French, of course, and repeat the sentences you hear. Ask questions. Feel free to ask questions in the comments to clarify your doubt. Quiz. What is the basic structure of a sentence in French? Verbe, sujet, complément. Sujet, verbe, complément. Complément, sujet, verbe. Sujet, verbe, complément. Bravo! Complete the sentence. Marie, un livre. Marie beau un livre. Marie lit un livre. Marie elle un livre. Bien, Marie lit un livre. What is the complement in the sentence? Elle parle français. Elle parle français. Great! Français is the complement in this sentence. Identify the subject in the sentence. Nous allons à Paris. Nous allons à Paris. Nous. Nous is the subject in this sentence. Which adjective correctly completes the sentence? Un chat. Un grand chat. Un petit chat. Un bel chat. Un petit chat. Bravo! There you go. Now you know how to construct basic sentences in French. Remember to practice regularly to improve your language proficiency. I would like to read your sentences in the comments and try writing in French. So it's time. Write comments right now. I'm waiting for you. Okay, so see you soon for a new lesson with French with Karine. Bye!